What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. And what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to step back, and there's a few coins that I want to go over from time to time with y'all. I have about a handful of coins, maybe 5 to 10 coins that I believe will do fairly well in the next bull market. And one coin that I want to bring to you today is Link. And the reason for this, I've been going into the block behind the scenes, and it's been looking pretty good for Link, but also technically here, we've been in a range now, and this has been dating back to May of 2022. So we got flushed down to roughly $6.60. And from that area here, we've been bouncing between $5, guys, and about $9.50. So in this range, we have spent a massive amount of time. And what I'm doing, I'm looking for the break or the breakout of this range. So guys, you know, when you're going in a range like this, you don't know whether it's going to break to the upside or the downside. I, in my opinion, would assume that this is going to break out to the upside when it does. And that's not a guarantee. Obviously, you have to keep an eye on Bitcoin and what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can drag the market down. But in the longer run here, guys, you can see how long we've been in this range, in this accumulation area. I believe if we get a breakout from this range here of about $9.50, that's when you can get that explosive price action and go up and test areas like $20, $28, all the way up to $35. When you get breaks of these ranges, as long as they're on heavy volume, that's what you're looking for a continued move. And what I like to do is look at the bars pattern and just see how Link moves here, guys. And we're going to go over a few and just say, and this is not a guarantee. So if you were interested in Link, guys, and say you had $1,000, I would suggest at different times putting in 100. You know, at the $7 range, if we go back down lower, put another 100. Up in here, put another 100, and just try to accumulate in this range as long as you're in this range here. So just to take a look at this bars pattern, if we did have a breakout from this resistance area, we've had similar moves. This one would take you up to $37 right into that range. And guys, that would be in the time frame. That would be November 18th, 2023. So that's how fast these moves happen when they do come in. And I know that we're still in a bear market, but we're planning for the bull market. So let's do another one here. Do this bars pattern. Because when Link moves, just like many other cryptos, really moves fast and aggressive to the upside. So right here, guys, that could take you to about $28. And this would put you in the time frame of November 11th, 2023. But obviously here, guys, we could spend a lot more time in this range. I'm just going through a few of these just to show you how fast and how quick these moves are. So let's try a bars pattern here. This was just a relief rally. If we step back, put this one on, a break similar to that would take you up to about $21. So, you know, guys, I believe that there's opportunity here down the road for Link. I think it's something in terms of Link that has a good use case to it. If we take a look at the technicals, let's start at the 1 month. The 1 month is going to be a sell. We have 10 sell, 9 neutral, and a 3 buy. The 1 week is going to be a buy. We have 5 sell, 10 neutral, and 11 buy. Then on the 1 day time frame here, we have a 4 sell, 8 neutral, and a 14 buy. And that's going to be for our oscillators and our moving averages. So I think this is one, guys, if we can have some patience and we can watch here, I don't believe that this is a bad area to accumulate some Link if you do believe in the project. But I would do it very low and slow. Just really take your time, small amounts. And it's something as well, guys, once you do accumulate a position, you want to hold on to it until you get into these massive, like hockey stick moments where you go straight up. That's typically when you get those big corrections. We want to see a nice, healthy break out of here. Higher highs, higher lows, just take your time and work your way up. But something that I can see some potential in, and when I was going into the block here, guys, it had one of the largest holdings in terms of average balance size. It was up around like 10,000. And a lot of the other coins were down around 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. They're very popular coins as well. So something's going on behind the scenes for Link here. I want you to keep an eye on this range here. Could spend a lot more time in it, but I definitely think it's worth putting on your radar. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.